Hello Greg, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for the new 2020 Suzuki VZR1800BZMO. It stands for M109R. It's the price right now, include all the fees, is for $17,265 plus HST and licensing. They did a nice combination, the gray and the black stripe in the middle. It looks nice, sharp motorcycle. I do have one in stock at the moment. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. I'll let you know, we just installed the solo seat, but it comes with the passenger seat. And we have in our stories. Once again, today is the Monday, the February 10th. I'll be here until 7 p.m. and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.